sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Honda Civic Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.